So let's continue our lesson about subtracting a similar fraction. So how do we subtract a similar fraction? Subtracting similar fractions. So how? We have again 3 steps to consider and to know how to subtract similar fractions. So number 1, or the first step, is to look at the denominator. And then the second step is to, when the denominator are the same, meaning you have to copy the denominator. And then the last step, the third step, is to subtract the numerator. Okay. So let's sample. I have 3 halves minus 1 halves. Okay. So the first step is to look at the denominator. So are the denominator the same? Okay, very good. So the denominator are the same because we have the same number, which is 2. Very good. Okay, so the second step is to copy the denominator. Now that we know they are the same, the next step is to copy the denominator. So what is our denominator here at the given? Okay, very good. So we have 2. Now that we already copied the denominator, so now let's subtract the numerator. So what is our numerator? So we have 3 and then 1. So 3 minus 1, what is the answer? What is the difference? Very good. So 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. So how about this one? Can we simplify this one, teacher? Yes, we need to simplify. Again, think of a number that you can divide both by 2 and 2. So it is easy. So we can divide it both by 2. Okay, there we go. So 2 divided by 2, that will be 1. And then 2 divided by 2, okay, very good. So 1. So 1 divided by 1, or 1 as an answer. Okay, so the simplified answer is 1. Okay, so let's have another example. So let's erase this one. So another example, what if we have 7 over 27? Okay, or 7 over 27 minus, okay, 3 over 27. Okay, so again, the first step is to look at the denominator. So what is our denominator? Okay, very good. So our denominator is 27. So our denominator again is 27. Very good. So you need to copy the denominator, which is 27. So after copying the denominator, okay, you need to subtract the numerator. So 7 minus 3. So what is the answer? Okay, very good. So 4. Can we simplify 4/27? Okay, so we cannot simplify it. So, or therefore, this is our answer. So, 4/27. What if we have mixed number? Okay, let's erase this one. Okay, so what if we have a mixed number? So, 3 and 3/5 minus 2 and 1/5. Okay. So remember class, you always need to convert it to improper fraction. Okay? Remember that if you see a mixed number, you need to convert it to improper fraction. So how do we convert it to improper fraction? Okay, so very good. So you need to multiply and then add. Very good. So 5 times 3, very good, 15. 15 plus 3, very good. So 18. 18 over 5 minus 5 times 2, very good, 10. 10 plus 1 equal to, very good. So 11 over 5. So now that we already convert the mixed number to improper fraction, now we need to subtract the numerator. Oops, we need to do the second step first before the third step. So we need to copy first the denominator. What is our denominator? Very good, 5. So you need to copy the denominator. Now we can do the third step. So the third step is to subtract the numerator. So 18 minus 11. Very good. So 7 over 5. So the answer is 7/5. Okay, can we simplify the answer? No. So this is the simplified answer. So 7 over 5. Okay. So if you have any question regarding with this discussion, you can chat me or message me in my messenger. Okay. So let's proceed to adding and subtracting the similar fraction.